So today we should to do some tasks with and changing permission to user, give him an permission to read, modify, and change the file or folders. And so I will show how to do it. We should to sign in with administrator. The first thing we should do is create a folder in our disk. Folder will be permission folder. Why not? And to this folder we should to give permission. How to do it? We do it with sharing, advanced sharing. Share this folder, and we should to add in our user. My user is test. Okay, apply and okay, because as it is already have permission to read, not to change, only to read. So okay, apply, okay, close. After that we should to sign out. No, there is some jokes with because I miss it with Pusk. Administrator, sign out, test, admin. This PC, and here we can add a new map network drive. To add, we should to write 2/ our server name. My server name is Mirbolat. After that, only 1/, not 2, and the name of folder. Finish. So we create a new network location, some folder. Here it is, but we cannot add documents or change something else in this folder. So to give permission to change something or modify, we should to we should to sign out to administrator, administrator, password, admin, and to give permission we should to do the one thing, it's to create something else in this folder. Maybe it will be text document, test, and now write permission is given. Ctrl S, and after that so we know that our user can read this document but cannot modify. To give permission to the modifying files, we should to open properties of this file, security, and there is we can add a new user. And give him permission to write. There it is. Apply and okay. Okay. So we should to check this out. test and in folder test. So we can read, we can write something, but the everyone who have permission to read, they can write something in these files, but cannot save or modify something else. So I will write got it and Control S here. Oh, some troubles with permission. I think that I missed something. Sign out anyway. Administrator. File Explorer. Disk folder and properties. Security test. Can write. Modify. Maybe. Yes, he can. I think now we can modify this file. Sign out. Sign out anyway. Test. Folder test. Got it. Control S. Save. Search this file. So our modifying it will be like this. So we can write something and we can press Ctrl and S. So after that we should to install a BitLocker. BitLocker is already installed by Practise presentation, and I step by step and do these tasks from this slide. So to show that I already use BitLocker, I should to show you what is installed in my server. Task Host Manager, tools, and group policy management. No, add roles. Next. So there it is, features, BitLocker. It's installed. So how it works? When I lock our disk, it will be locked by our password, and only with password we can take access to these files. So manage BitLocker, turn off. So when we install the BitLocker, we should to click to this our disk and should to configure it. Open pin to remove disk. No, it it incompleted because of this decrypting. Close. And now I can turn on BitLocker. Enter a password. So I will create some password to this. Maybe it will be an BitLocker and some numbers, BitLocker and some numbers. BitLocker. Print the recover key. Print. It will be key number 2. And we can save this. Next. Start now. And then we see how BitLocker works, because it works at command line type. So there it is. We should to write the password of BitLocker. By pressing the 0, we can see what we write. So that's it. So after that, we should to take away our permissions to users. Permission is we can take away permission by what is this? Properties, security, test, deny, to write, to modify. No, it was not system. To the test. So here it is. Apply. Okay. And after that our user cannot change something. So there it is, test, password, this PC, folder, test. So we can write something but cannot save it because we don't have a permission. That's all. So today we continue our practice. There is a practice 4. The first task is install a telnet client to our Windows server. We open our PowerShell ICA by writing PowerShell. Then there is a PowerShell ICA. So in this PowerShell ICA we should write this command. There is get Windows feature, get Windows feature, and name telnet. Name telnet. Then there is dash and client, or dash and client. So telnet is available and install it. We can use it by typing telnet and IP port, but it's not our task. So the second we should show system warnings which contains a message time service. So there is we have an code which is launch showing the time service message. Here it is. It is an warnings with message time service. The third task is stop and start service DPSS. To do it, we should write stop stop service. We should write stop service name DPS. And the second task is start service name DPS. There is